So I'm gonna cook conch vegetable soup. Conch is considered a delicacy. In Jamaica, it's also considered to be an aphrodisiac, even though there are no scientific evidence to support it, but you can't tell the Jamaican man them nothing. Conch is good for their manhood, and that is that. So the conch already peeled and scalded, so it's already, prepared, right? And this is from the seaside to my table, so it is fresh. So now I'm pounding the conch because, to tenderize it, because the texture is a bit tough. So I have to tenderize it, and then I'm going to cut it into the sizes that I want. And then I'm just going to wash it with tap water, no vinegar. There's no need to wash it with vinegar because it's already peeled and clean and scald, so all of that is already done. So just wash it with some tap water. Yes, so that is the conch. So I'm also gonna put these ingredients into the soup, which is afra yam, also known as yellow yam or soup yam. It's $150 per pound. Gonna use 1 quaker. That is to thicken the soup, gives the soup body, which is $150 per pound. Gonna use 2 Irish potatoes, which is $250 per pound. Gonna use 2 carrots, $120 per pound. Gonna use 2 different soup mix. Gonna use a cock soup mix and a pumpkin soup mix. I don't remember the cost for those because I buy them in bulk. Yeah, in my grocery, buy in bulk with the grocery thing. I'm gonna use 2 corn, which is, I think it's $800 for the 2 corn. That's sweet corn. Yeah. And then I'm gonna use curry pumpkin, which is $150 per pound. I'm gonna use red stalk scallion, which is $700 per pound. I do not use the white stalk scallion, none whatsoever. Me not like it. So if me cannot get the red stalk scallion, I'm not gonna buy any scallion because I don't want the white stalk scallion to use. Me not like it. Okay? Yeah, man. And the red stalk scallion is very expensive. And I'm gonna use 1 green hot pepper, $400 per pound for the green pepper, and a piece of thyme. I think I paid $50 for a bungle of thyme. Thyme is actually very cheap. And I'm gonna use garlic as well, and 1 pack of garlic is for $150. So I put a pot on I eat and added some water, not sure about the amount. Added the conch as well, garlic and pimento seeds. So I am gonna boil the conch until partially cooked, which is gonna take a while, and so I'm gonna add more water when needed. I don't use pressure cooker. Okay, yeah man, I rather to cook my food without pressure. The conch is partially cooked, so I am gonna add the carrots, Irish potatoes and pumpkin to the pot, as well as a little bit more water to the pot as well. Gonna cover the pot and allow the vegetables to cook. So now I'm gonna add the yam, the quaker, and the corn. So I did need about 4 cups of flour into dough, and then cover it and allow it to rest. So now I'm gonna make some dumplings and add it to the pot. I think I made like 1 spinner. So now I am adding the scallion, thyme, and hot pepper, as well as the cock soup and pumpkin soup mix. So now I am gonna cover the pot and allow the soup to thicken to the consistency that I like. So I'm gonna lower the heat and let it simmer, right? I do not like the soup when it is too thick, because when I'm reheating leftover soup and it is too thick, then it resembles stew and difficult to reheat. I don't like soup when it is too thick. So if you're watching this video and it is not of the consistency that you like, remember you're not the one that is gonna drink it. Okay, thank you very much, because I don't like soup when it is too thick. So this is the Conch soup. It has a nice unique taste. Yes, and remember that this is soup and not stew. Wow, good.